Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making turkey cabbage soup. I made a version of this using beef. Came out really tasty. This is slightly different and even healthier. So right here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 pound of ground turkey. I cooked it. There's still a little pink left, but I cooked it for a few minutes. So now I'm gonna add half of a chopped onion and 2 diced carrots. And now I'm adding 1 minced garlic clove. So I'm going to stir this around and I'm going to cook it for approximately 5 to 7 minutes just to tenderize my onion and my carrots. Give them a head start in the cooking process. Now I'm going to add 14 ounces of diced tomato. This is 1 can, 14 ounces. And right here it's 4 ounces of diced green chili peppers. And these are some spices. I have 1 teaspoon increments. Salt, pepper, oregano, and chili powder. You can use any chili powder. If you want it spicier, use the spicy chili powder. This is California chili powder. So I'm just mixing that together. And now I'm going to add 4 cups of chicken broth and half a head of chopped cabbage. I chopped it up into big pieces like this. And that's all the ingredients for this soup. It is such a good soup and it's healthy. It's very, very flavorful. So now I'm just mixing everything together. I'm going to cover it and cook it for 20 minutes, just until you tenderize the vegetables. And it comes out so good. This is a really good soup. Now at this point, you kind of taste it. I added a half teaspoon more of salt, but you taste it and you make it to your satisfaction, to how you like it. I needed a little bit more salt. So this is a very flavorful soup, very tasty, and it's healthy. It's perfect for this chilly weather. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to see all my recipes, and I will see you next time.